everybody, how you guys doing today? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my videos weekly. And for you, my followers, thank you for watching, and I encourage you to share this video with friends and family. So today I'm going to be making healthy popsicle guys, healthy popsicle. So follow me to my kitchen where I show you how to make healthy popsicles. Okay, stay tuned. So here I'm in my kitchen now, guys. We're gonna make healthy popsicle. And what are we using today? What are the ingredients? You need the popsicles. Okay, you can get this one, the containers, you can get them in a dollar shop. All right, and also I'm doing watermelon, pineapple and ginger to make the popsicle. So I'm gonna use the watermelon and the pineapple and the ginger, then put it in the freezer. Okay, let's do it. So first of all, you wash your vegetables. I've already washed them, so I'm just gonna cut it. Here, I just needed half of this one quarter. This is what I'm going to be using. So what you need to do, let's put this away. So just gonna cut, get the inside out, okay? Let me just cut it this way. So we're gonna use it, and I'm gonna use this. Okay, I'm gonna cut the pineapple. I'm using half of this pineapple, okay? Here we go. Remember, you use it, pineapple, you can cut them little by little so that it can, depends on the type of juicer you are using. If you don't have a juicer, use your blender. Like I said on my last videos, use your blender and sieve it with a cheesecloth. Okay? Cut them tiny so that it can fit into your juicer. That way. Ginger. Now it's time to put the ginger. I'll chop it. Give it a nice flavor. Okay. So hi guys, so the juice is ready. If you don't have a juicer, use your blender. After blending, use a cheesecloth to save the shaft out so that you can use it for your popsicle. So here are the popsicle container. You can get them in a dollar shop. So what I need to do is to take off the stick of the container out and pour the juice in it. Don't fold it so that it will not spill when you put the cover. After this, you put it in the freezer. Okay, it's ready. Put this. Good. very easy to make, guys. This is ready. So I'm gonna put it in the freezer. So here is my freezer, okay? It's alright, guys. The popsicle is in the freezer now. Stay tuned. I will show you the final products, okay? Go to the market, get your supply, and make popsicle for your children for this Thanksgiving period. Okay. Hi everybody. So I told you guys that I'm going to show you the final product of my popsicles. Okay, and this is the final product. Okay, try and do this for your family. Oh, it is really yummy. Till then, eat healthy, live healthy, and be healthy.